Since morning, there was a very violent backlash of the Mumbai incident in Patna. Since today morning, we are seeing people and protesters on the streets damaging and targeting railway properties and the properties in general. We have here with us few of the students and teacher and a university professor with us. Let's have their reaction on this. Ma'am, what you have seen today was a backlash of the Mumbai incident. How do you see this kind of reaction to what MNS workers in Mumbai did?
What MNS workers in Mumbai did was, must be condemned in highest words and in strongest terms. But, to react against it in the same manner is equally, deserves equal condemnation. And it should not be done. And the property that the students they are targeting and destroying, it's their own property. They must realize it, and they must, if they want to protest, they must protest in a very peaceful manner. That's another way to, capture. If they want to, catch attention of the people, that's another way.
But let's appreciate that the students were beaten up, they are hurt. Then how do they express their feelings? Then how do they tell the world that they are hurt? They have been treated badly there?
Yes, they were hurt, and it's very shameful actually in Indian democratic history, in the history of Indian democracy, that such a thing has happened when people are going to other countries and they get employment there, and going to a state in our own country and being thrown away from there, and dead body coming from there. It's very disgusting.
Okay, so what she's saying is that the protest was okay, but the way the students chose to protest is something she's objecting to.
All right, so she's objecting to the violence as much in Patna as in Mumbai. But Sushant, I want to get you in really here. When you first came to Mumbai as an outsider, did you ever feel unwelcome by the local people who were here?
First of all, I would like a little correction. I'm not a North Indian actor. I'm just an actor, an Indian actor who speaks in Hindi, works in Hindi cinema. And when I reached Mumbai, I never considered myself an outsider. It's as much a part of my country as Kashmir or as Tamil Nadu, Kerala or Manipur. My wife, by the way, is from Manipur. So, and people here.
Raj Thackeray is now out of jail, free to stoke more fire. All to uphold regional pride, he says. But the common Mumbaikar has for years worked and rubbed shoulders with the North Indians. And they've conversely looked to Mumbai as a city of great opportunity. Will the all-encompassing cosmopolitan spirit of Mumbai now stand tall against the divisive sword of regional politics?